Hello viewers, welcome to my another video tutorial. In this video we will learn about 20 words with the picture that will help you to keep it in your mind. So always try to learn the word with the article. So you see there is article in front of every noun. So let's begin. Thus broad, that means the bread. Thus broad, thus broad. Just try to pronounce it 2 or 3 times. It will be best if you write and practice, write and speak. Thus baguette, thus baguette. That's also kind of bread. Thus croissant, thus croissant. That's also a tasty bread you can eat if you have time. I sometimes eat this croissant. And then der toast, that means toast. And then die Butter, the butter made from milk. And the article for milk is die Milch, die Milch. So it's also easy to remember that the butter make from milk. So that means the same article is here, die Butter. Der Honig, the honey, der Honig, the honey. Die Marmelade, that means the jam, die Marmelade, the jam, I mean the fruit jelly you can say. Der Käse, the cheese, der Käse, the cheese. So next, die cornflakes, that means the cornflakes from corn. Der yogurt, that means yogurt. In Bengali it's a doi. Die Milch, the milk. Thus omelette, like thus I. We say thus I. So from I means egg, and the omelette make from egg. So we say thus I, thus omelette. So there is a connection. Thus Spiegelei, thus Spiegelei, thus Spiegelei. That's also fried egg. It's called in English. It's called fried egg. Der Tee, that means tea. Der Kaffee, that means coffee. Der Orangensaft, that means the orange juice. Der Orangensaft, that means the orange juice. And the last 5 words. Der Becher, that means cup or mug. Der Becher, cup or mug. Thus glass, that means glass. Die Gabel, that means pork. You can see it's also a spoon. Then thus Messer, that means knife. Thus Messer, knife. Der Teelöffel, teaspoon. Der Teelöffel, teaspoon. Thus Messer, knife. Die Gabel, pork. Thus glass. Der Becher, cup or a mug. Der Orangensaft, that means orange juice. Der Kaffee, der tea. Der Spiegelei, that means fried egg. Die cornflakes, der Joghurt, die Milch, das Omelette, der Käse, die Marmelade, der Honig, die Butter, das Brot, das Baguette, das Croissant, der Toast. So that's all for today. I will upload more videos on the vocabulary, so that will help you to understand and improve your vocabulary. That's all for today. Bye.